Hi, I'm Neil with Covers Camo Custom Seat Covers. I want to show you a way to repair your seat if it has a tear inside with a custom seat cover, some foam, scissors, and some glue. As simple as that. This is a quick fix for you. Obviously there's other ways to do it, but when you look at the cost of getting new upholstery and getting that brand new foam inside your seat, it gets a little pricey. So one way to do it is packing it with foam like this, putting on a nice custom seat cover, and then you're good to go. Looks good. So let's check this out now. There was a big crack right on the inside of this leather, and you could even see one of the metal springs underneath. So what we did is we packed that full of some high density foam, and then also put another layer of about a 1/2 inch foam on top of that just to even it out a little bit, and then the seat cover on top. And now the seat cover does have a little over 1/2 inch of foam inside it, and then so with that extra foam there, it just built it up a little bit more. And then as you can see with that custom seat cover, just a custom fit seat cover on top, you really obviously don't see the tear anymore. It looks a lot better, and it's going to feel a lot better too for that passenger riding inside here. So that's always an option if you want to do a foam repair on one of your seats. If it's an older vehicle, you can do that with some foam, some glue adhesive, and then some scissors just to cut it around and kind of mold it in there to where you need it to go. Great option, but again, finishing it out with the custom seat cover pulled on top is really the way to go to make it look nice and finished out at the end here. Thanks again for watching it. This has been Neil here with Covers Camo Custom Seat Covers. Feel free to check out the website coversandcamo.com for more seat covers, and please subscribe to the YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this with seat covers and auto accessory related items. Okay, thanks so much.